Hi Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the end of the March 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, Scorpio, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Scorpio, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the end of March 2021. Let's see what we have for you here, Scorpio. Also Scorpio, please note that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Scorpio, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. So let's see the mutual energy between you and your person here, Scorpio. Oh wow, I've got happy success coming up for you here. Okay, so on this side here is your energy, Scorpio, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now looking at the sign that I've got for you here, Scorpio, I'm getting a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. I'm also getting a very strong Libra energy coming up here. Air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. There could also be a very strong Aries energy coming up here as well, Scorpio. So you could be dealing with any of those signs, or you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart. So let's look at into your energy first here, Scorpio. I've got the moon, the 5 of cups and the 10 of wands energy. With the overall energy here, I've got the 5 of wands. So the first thing that I'm picking up within yourself here, Scorpio, I'm getting a very strong self-blaming and self-guilty energy coming up here, as well as something that you're actually feeling regretful of. So there is something within yourself here, something like your emotion. I do feel like there are a lot of conflicted emotion is what I'm getting coming up from you here, Scorpio. Conflicted emotion, frustration, anxiety, anger, self-blaming, regret, like all of those emotion is coming up very strongly coming up for you here, Scorpio. Now I feel like this is what making you feeling overwhelmed and making you feeling overburdened here. So the most important thing that I'm getting for you here, Scorpio, is that with this moon energy here, there is something within yourself here that you have been hiding, or at least that you've been running away from here, something with your emotion here, Scorpio. And what do I mean by that here is that there is something that might have happened to you either recently or even like in the past here, that might just be triggering all of this negative emotion, that might be triggering all of this emotion surrounding yourself here, Scorpio. So instead of actually dealing with all of those emotions, what you have been doing here is that running away from those emotions, even like suppressing those emotions here, Scorpio. So this is something that you need to pay attention to here as well. The thing here is that you cannot move on into something new, you cannot move on into a new journey here, because with this 10 of wands energy coming up here, Scorpio, I'm getting like you are ready to move on. You're actually ready to take up a new journey here, whether with your person, the reunion, or like even a new person. Like it does not really matter. But the thing here is that, Scorpio, like you have been wanting to move on, you've been wanting to like go into a new place here, starting up your new journey. In general, does not necessarily have to be in love, but with this 10 of wands energy, what I'm getting here is that the more that you try to move on here, you don't even realize that you're still carrying all of those baggages in the form of those emotions that have been suppressing here, Scorpio. So this is something that you actually really need to address it here. The thing here is that with all of this 5 of cups energy and the 5 of wands energy coming up here, unless and until you actually deal, or unless and until you actually like pay attention to all of those emotions here, you may just keep on running in that same circle here of being like getting hurt in terms of your love life here, but generally you're just going to keep on running in the same circle of facing all of these painful memories, facing all of this emotional pain here, Scorpio. So this is something that you actually need to pay attention to here, especially breaking up this particular running and chasing and back and forth cycle within within yourself, Scorpio, here. And also this is also the reason why I've got the courage energy. Yes, it may seems like to be impossible for you to just or I won't say impossible, it may seems to be a little bit hard for you to just go through all of this healing process, to just paying attention and finally not running away from all of those emotions, not suppressing all of those emotions here, and just finally facing them here. But the thing here is that even though the surrounding you may seem to be dark, but listen to this particular light within yourself here. Listen and let the guide within yourself here, let the light from your intuition, from your spirit guides, from the divine to be leading you in this healing journey here, Scorpio. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the Seven of Swords, I've got the Three of Cups, and then I've got the Knight of Cups energy here with this Justice card. So let me start with this Three of Cups energy and the Justice energy coming up here. I'm getting quite a very specific message here. So for those of you who your person currently with a third party situation, or there is a third party situation surrounding your person life here, Scorpio, with this Three of Cups energy and the Justice card here, whatever third party situation or karmic situation that your person is currently in here, they're going to get the justice here. A very strong karmic justice is actually going to be served within your person life here. They're finally going to get that karmic justice here, Scorpio. So what will this karmic justice do with your person as well as within this whole connection as a whole here? I've got the Seven of Swords energy coming up here. The Seven of Swords energy here is also quite interesting because both the Seven of Swords energy and the Ten of Wands energy that I'm getting for you here, Scorpio, is basically talking about the baggages, the emotional baggages, the emotional pain that both you and your person are currently carrying here. So I do feel like your person is definitely having this regretful energy surrounding them here. They're feeling regretful for choosing someone else over you here, Scorpio. Like that energy is coming up quite significantly here, especially within this Three of Cups energy here. So they're finally going to break free from all of this karmic situation, from all of this third party situation, especially for those of them who are currently with someone, like being married or just being in a relationship, because the Justice energy here is basically talking about legality, legal system and legal issue coming up here. So they're definitely going to get the karmic justice that they deserve here. Once they get all of those karmic justice being served to them, what is going to happen next here is that I've got the Knight of Cups energy, and then I've also got the Knight of Swords energy coming up here. So these two energies basically talking about them. They are going to come back towards you, like running towards you here, because after they're getting all of this karmic justice being served in their favor, within themselves here, they're going to come running towards you here, Scorpio. And not only they're going to come running towards you here, you're going to start seeing them communicating with you more here, like asking you out, inviting you out for a dinner, like all of those energy here. I've also got the Four of Wands energy coming up here again. This is basically talking about the union that is going to happen between both of you here. So never doubt about the union is definitely going to happen between both of you. And then the overall energy that I've got here is that happy and success. So there's definitely going to be happiness and successful relationship and successful union coming up between both of you here. But before all of this successful union and successful relationship, long-term and committed relationship to happen between you and your person here, Scorpio, they have to go through all of this karmic contract. They have to release, and they have to heal from all of this karmic energy here. So this is why I've got that they're currently going to get, they're definitely getting that karmic justice being served in their life here, Scorpio. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this message resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.